Kia ora te whānau, or should I say, welcome aboard. When you hear the trumpets, that means it's toy time. Anchors away. Hoake tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Ahoy, me hearties, and welcome to Toy Time. You're just in time because we're off to search for treasure, aren't we?
Arr!
I'm Pirate Captain Jojo Scallywag.
I'm Long John's Ricky. I'm Black Boots past the pirate parrot.
And I'm Magnolia Maya. Magnolia Maya? That's not a pirate name. It's meant to be something swashbuckling, like menacing Maya. Ain't that right, me laddies?
Aye.
Well, I don't want to be swashbuckling. Menacing Maya sounds scary, and I'm a nice pirate.
A nice pirate?
Yes, Magnolia Maya, how do you do?
Okay, all right, everybody's welcome. It's time to set sail in search of treasure and adventure. Who's with me, me hearties?
We are!
Land ahoy!
Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun. Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun. We're out to find some buried gold. It was buried long ago. Find the X on the treasure map. Watch out for any pirate traps. Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun. Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun. Hoist the anchor, raise the sail, ride the waves amongst the whales, sailing on the 7 seas. The pirate's life is the life for me. Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun. Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun. Land ahoy! It's time to dock. Careful not to hit the rocks. Finally we're on solid ground. Come on, there's treasure to be found. Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun. Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun. Is this the spot? I think it is. So now it's time to dig and dig. Get out your shovels, 1, 2, 3. The pirate's life is the life for me. Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun. Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun. Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun. Yo ho ho and a whole lot of fun. The treasure hunt has now begun.
Oh, could you please hand me that pirate flag, Maya? Oh. This one. Aye, me jolly Roger.
Is this Roger? He doesn't look very jolly at all. Leave it with me. I'll make us a new pirate flag.
Hey, what's a pirate's favorite letter?
Oh, what?
R.
I thought you were going to say C.
Ta-da!
Oh, that's actually really cute, Maya.
Great job, Maya. Okay, let's put it on. Just there. And the other part. Careful, careful. There we go.
It's time to play. Ahoy, me hearties!
Arr!
Oh, Ahoy, could you please tell us a story about pirates?
Of course, Jojo. Once upon a toy time, there was a swashbuckling pirate named Captain Jojo Scallywag.
Ahoy there, mateys!
One day, something arrived in the post for Captain Jojo Scallywag.
A treasure map. X marks the spot where the treasure is buried. Arr, I be off to find me some treasure.
Oh, wait a moment, please. You forgot this.
Oh, pirates don't wear life jackets.
Well, of course they do. Pirates are precious too.
All right.
Okay. Oh, did you hurt your eye, Jojo?
Oh, that'd be Pirate Captain Jojo Scallywag to you, me lassie. And no, the eye patch is so I can see in the dark with this eye. Arr!
How clever. Well, I'll see you when you find the treasure.
Captain Jojo Scallywag followed the treasure map, looking for the buried treasure. It was a bit lonely out to sea until one day...
Squawk! Knock, knock! Squawk! Knock, knock!
Who's there?
A talking!
A talking who?
A talking parrot! Squawk! Can I come on your voyage, Captain Jojo Scallywag?
Aye, I'm sailing the 7 seas in search of buried treasure. X marks the spot.
Oh, find the treasure! Squawk! Find the treasure!
Captain Jojo Scallywag and her pirate parrot saw something in the distance.
Oh, shiver me timbers! That be another pirate! Ahoy there, me Haiti!
Oh, ahoy there! I'm Long John's Ricky, and I'm happy to see you. My boat has a hole in it, and I've been bailing water for days.
Ah, I can help! Squawk! I can help!
It'd be nice to have some company.
Thank you. Hey, we have the same treasure map.
It arrived in the mail.
Oh, mine too. X marks the spot.
Aye, ahoy, me hearties!
Arr. Oh, Titiro, an island.
An island! Squawk! An island!
Land ho!
All aboard!
According to this map, the treasure should be somewhere around here. Oh,
Kia ora. I'm Magnolia Maya. Lovely to meet you and welcome to my island.
Aye, we're looking for treasure. X marks the spot. This spot right here.
You're right on time. Excuse me.
Digging for treasure! Squawk! Digging for treasure! Holding a shovel!
something smells delicious. I'm very excited about this treasure.
Shiver me timbers. The buried treasure is a...
Han. Aye. Would you like to join me for some kite?
Yes, please.
Yippo! Squeak! Yippo!
It was the most delicious treasure a pirate could wish for, and they all lived happily ever after. Kumutsu, the end.
Wakarakia!
Nau mai ngā hua papatua an kuarangi nui ke te kai. Whitiki ki ora aumi e hui e.
Tai kie.
Ah! Have a feed!
Oh, balance, balance, balance. Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, Wolfie has sent me on a treasure hunt. Let's go, my cuzzies. All right. My first clue is find something that is spiky. No. No. Hey, what's that? I found it! Okay, kia tūpato Buzz, he tino koi. This plant is really sharp. Here we go. Careful, careful. Got it! What does it say? Well done, Buzz. That's me. Now, find something that helps you walk over water. Something that helps you walk over water? Let's look this way. Come on. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. Woo! I think I know what it is. Come on. Woo! Okay, here's the water. Walk over water, walk over water. I found it, cuzzies! Come on! It's a bridge! And look, here's our next clue. All right, good job, Buzz. Now, find something that is brown and sticky. Brown and sticky? I know! Let's check this way! Come on! Check it out! It was a stick! And here's our clue. Woo! What does it say? You're getting closer to the treasure. Yes. Now, look around you. There is something that is bright red. Bright red, bright red. I see it, my cuzzies! Come on! Check it out! I found it! Let's see what it says. Good job, Ahoy. Now, for your final clue. We're on to the final clue. Read carefully. The treasure is someone who is really strong and really good at fishing. Me? No, Buzz, it's not you. Keep looking. Okay. Let's go this way. Come on. Think, Buzz. Think. I've got it. Check it out. It's Maui. Oh, tēnā koe te rangatira. Mauri ora. Oh, he's really strong and really good at fishing. Beautiful eyes remind me of myself. And look, here's our tonga. Whoa. Oh my goodness, it's so sparkly and precious. Wolfie, you shouldn't have. Ka kite anō.
Kia ora. I'm Auntie Anika and I'm packing all my most precious treasures into a safe. See? Whoop. A safe is called a safe because it keeps your treasures safe. Genius. And instead of using a key, a safe opens using a special combination of numbers, man. My combination is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put my treasures safely into the safe. Ooh. This was my first ever hacky sack. There you go. This is an autumn leaf that I found on a walk with Koro. In you go. Oh, here we go. This is a picture I drew of my friend Ness. I'm good, eh? And this is my first ever teddy. I do not want to lose this one. Now, the most important part of using a safe is to close the safe door. Boop. And then, locked. Now, when you want to get your precious treasures out again, you just enter the combination of numbers that opens your safe. Oh, wait, there's a slight problem. I think I've forgotten the combination number. Is it... Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8? Oh, I know it. Oh, silly me. It's tahi, rua, toru, wha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! We did it! Yes! Hi. Hi, kitty.
Ooh. Hey, Oma, I made you a tea in your special cup.
Yes!
Oh, dear. Oh, dear.
Oh, are you all right, Wolfie? Did you hurt yourself?
I didn't hurt myself, but your special cup is broken. Koro gave that to you as a present. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay, Wolfie. I am a little bit sad about the cup, but it's only a cup. Do you know what the real present is?
What?
You! Your presence is the present.
It is?
Yes! Oh, I love playing with you.
I love playing with you too, Oma.
Whee!
Hey, I have an idea. How about we play cups of tea with the pretend cups in the playroom?
Yes! Great idea!
Woohoo!
Woo!
Ooh. What will I find with my pirate telescope this time?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Turn around.
Turn around who?
Turn around, there be a pirate behind you. Arr. Arr. Hello, Buzz. Are you ready for taco time?
Aye, me hearty.
This way, me laddie. It's taco time, and today's game is a treasure hunt.
Oh, I love a good treasure hunt. What am I looking for?
Well, I've hidden 3 coloured balls around the garden, and you have to find them all.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're really good at hiding things, Buzz. This is going to be fun and tricky. Will you give me any clues?
Hey, no clues, but if you're close to one of the balls, I'll say warmer, and if you're not close to any of the balls, I'll say colder. Okay?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, warmer, 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 hot, so hot it might burn your fingers off.
Yes, got one.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Well done, Ricky. All right, next one.
Okay.
Ooh, searching, searching. Oh, getting hotter, hotter, hotter than Nana's cup of tea.
Ooh.
Oh, you're an amazing treasure hunter, Ricky. Okay, last ball. This one is hidden in a really good place. Colder. Colder. You're basically in Antarctica.
Huh?
Yeah, it's snowing down there and the penguins are around as well too.
Oh.
You need to use my snow boots, Ricky? Cold? Freezing?
Huh?
Freezing?
Huh?
Freezing?
I can't find it, Buzz.
Oh, getting a little bit warmer there, Ricky.
Warmer? Warmer? Where? Hey, Buzz, are you sure it's hidden here? Because all I can see is you.
Who, me? Hey.
Oh, got it.
Great job, Ricky. You didn't give up. Oh, I'm proud of you, my boy.
Oh, thanks, Buzz. This was fun. Hey, can I have the balls this time?
Yeah.
Okay, cover your eyes. No peeking.
Okay.
In the days of old, on the land they roamed, dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Big and small, scary and tall, dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
They were everywhere, they just didn't care. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Some ate meat, while others ate trees. Dinosaurs. There was a Tyrannosaurus Rex, a Stegosaurus too, a Brontosaurus, Diplodocus, just to name a few. Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, Ankylosaurus, Anaporus, Morus, Forus, Norus, Boris, and a Tuatara too. In the days of old, on the land they roamed, dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Big and small, scary and tall, dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
They were everywhere, they just didn't care. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Some ate meat, while others ate trees. Dinosaurs. There was a Tyrannosaurus Rex, a Stegosaurus too, a Brontosaurus, Diplodocus, just to name a few. Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, Ankylosaurus, and a Tuatara too.
Hi! I'm packing for camp, and there's my cutlery. I put them in his bed. I definitely need my towel. I need something to sit on. I'm going to search my favourite books that I take. I love this book. Madden, have you seen Jasmine?
No. Have you looked in the kitchen?
Jasmine is my sister's favourite cuddly. I can't find her. Where is she? We'll look in the bedrooms.
Hurry up! Not here either.
It's Jasmine.
There she is!
We found her. I'm ready for camp.
Bye!
Is this another treasure map, Jojo?
Sort of. It is a mahere, but a different kind. It's an animal map.
Oh, I love animals.
Me too. These are some animals that you can find in countries around the world. Do you want to help me put them on the mahere?
Yes, please.
Ngā kararehe o te ao. First up, Raiona. Oh, the lion. Africa. Ka pai Maya. Arewhana.
India.
The bald eagle.
North America.
Capybara.
Oh, South America.
The giant panda.
Hyena.
China. The koala.
Te whenua moe moea. Australia.
And lucky last, the kiwi.
Aotearoa, New Zealand.
You know, Maya, I think this animal map might be my favourite kind of treasure map ever.
Me too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody do this exercise. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Work your taha, tinana. Work your taha, tinana. Work your taha, tinana. Touch your shoulders, knees and toes. Give a high five to your bros. Now stretch. Do the weta wiggle on a Cody tree. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody do this exercise. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Work your taha, tinana. Work your taha, tinana. Work your taha, tinana. Kumara and berries help us grow. Give a high five to your bros. Healthy kai is tino pai. It helps us do this exercise. Now stretch. Do the weta wiggle on a Cody tree. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody do this exercise. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Work your taha, tinana. Work your taha, tinana. Work your taha, tinana. Work your taha, tinana.
We're sharing some taonga at school today. Taonga are special things that we love and are precious. Look at all the special things we've brought in to share.
Today I've bought my bunny and I got it for Easter like a long time ago when I was like 1 or 2.
This is my cuddly.
And it's special to me because I slept with it every night as a baby and a toddler. He made me feel safe. I've also got it brought in my medals I've got.
Today I've brought a special keychain medal thing, and I got it from my yaya in Tasmania. The mountain on it is called Kunyani.
And these are my sunglasses and I love them. I love my sunglasses. And this is my Indian laugh and I love it. This is my favorite piece of gold, and it has these little holes inside so you can feel it, and it feels really inspiring to touch. This is my most precious taonga. Taonga is treasure in Maori, and it's a very special carved bone that my mum gave me. My taonga is my Samoa necklace. I got it from Samoa because my cousins bought it for me. I know it's in, but it's for lucky. I also bought my bubble and blankie. I sleep with my bubble blankie at night. I had it since I was born and a baby, and I had it for 6 years now. Bye!
Hello, friends. I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is a story about the protection of a jade. It was a special afternoon as Mum had a quiet moment with her little boy, Jaden. Mum had a precious pouch made of silk, and inside was a piece of jade. The jade was pale green with veins of darker green. It was circular in shape with a hole in the middle that a red string was tied to. This jade will protect you from harm, said Mum, as she placed the treasure around Jaden's neck. Outside, Jaden's sisters, Jean and Joy, were playing hopscotch in the garden, bouncing through the grass and running through the bushes. And as Jean hopped over a rock, she accidentally tripped and fell. Tumbling into the grass, Joy rushed to her. "Are you all right, Jean?" she asked. Jean rolled over and sat up. She swept the grass off her skirt, frowning at the green stains. "I'm okay," she said, but as she stood, her jade bracelet cracked and fell off her wrist. "Oh no," cried Jean, picking up the broken jade pieces. Mum came outside and saw what had happened. "Thank goodness," she said. The jade bracelet broke to protect Jean from getting hurt. Better the bracelet is broken than Jean's leg. Luckily, Mum had a spare jade bracelet. She slid it onto Jean's wrist and said a little prayer of protection. And so Jean, Joy and Jaden played in the garden, feeling safe and protected by the jade gifts that their mother had given them. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha. No hora, ka kite